You know it, we're in fucking Aeon, bitches. Alright. Oh, shit. We're heading up to 80, so see where oh, here we go, 80 to 70. Whoa. Check this out. This one's it's so cool. B37. Oh shit, these are double decker. Damn. Alright. Here we go. Aeon. Oh, whoa. Yo. This is nuts. We are in Aeon. .1600 feet per minute. Oh my god. Yo, we're on the. Yo, this is double decker. Yo, we're on the upper deck. My god, this shit's double decker. My god, we're already at 80. Wow. Pardon me.
I think you can put multiple phones, but that maybe adds time to use like a lot of computers, so that might just use like linear parameters. Okay. But then when you need the lists for like class shit afterwards, so like a template. So a list of like for autos, you have the mapping, mix models. Oh, you're saying yeah. Wow.
Hello.
So it should be very, very tight sequence. If you need anything outside of your program.
I got this one for the lobby.
Okay, wait,
It
Sharon.
should, yeah, it should.
Trying to get home before it really starts raining.
Oh Jesus! I've got till 8:30. That's when I plan to take the train. As long as I use my backpack to cover. Yep.
Okay.
But you don't get other power broadband.
It's pretty waterproof, so I'm pretty good.
Have a great one.
You
It's
too.
the lower lobby. Oh well.
Oh yeah, these are like double decker, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's pretty
I need
crazy.
the upper lobby. But I'm getting on a couple minutes early. As long as I make my train.
Ah. Just grabbing a video while I'm in here.
Cool. What's your major in school? What are you majoring in?
Business.
Business. Wow. I thought it would be like film or something. I thought
Oh wow, yeah, this is cool. I actually have a YouTube channel. I post elevators too. I'm like, this is the perfect opportunity.
Cool. Yeah, it's a double decker.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. I get to get it on film serving the upper or the other floor.
Cool. Exactly. A live feed.
Oh yeah. Oh, interesting. It has the like the companies too.
Hi there.
How are you?
Good. And yourself?
I'm doing well.
Here, it's great.
Well, luckily when I came in, it wasn't too bad.
Okay.
It's the
But,
rain.
yeah.
I'm trying to make it home before it starts. I'm supposed to be going to the nail shop. I don't know about that too. If it starts pouring, hit it in.
What time is it supposed to rain?
I thought they said this morning around 2 or 3, but someone said when they came in, it had already rained a little bit down here.
Yeah, it was definitely. I mean, it was drizzling for a little bit. Then it kind of stopped, and then it did a little harder. So.
But then my brother told me as he was leaving, because we both leave out in the morning at 4 something. He said that they said it was supposed to rain throughout the night.
Oh.
I'm like, oh, I missed that.
Oh wow, you left at 4?
Yeah, well, actually, he leaves at 4:30. I leave at 5.
Oh nice. I woke up at like 4:30
I'm
today.
okay. How are you?
So I'm like kind of sleepwalking around.
I hit that ground running.
Oh
You
yeah.
guys have a great evening.
You too.
Yeah, I'm at a, I was just about to go to the Rochester Elizabeth. What's up?
You first. Oh wow, this is double decker as well. We're on the lower deck right now. Upper lobby. Lower lobby then, I guess. Oh, we're making a stop. Hello.
How are you?
I'm very good. How about you?
I'm ready to go.
Long day?
Yes.
Oh man. Well, stay dry. It's a bit wet out.
Oh no. Is it
Yeah.
raining or?
I
it's
don't
just
know.
wet?
It was kind of soggy when I came in here, but I don't know how it is now.
Gotcha. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just into elevators.
Oh,
Yeah.
very cool.
I was visiting someone here, and I figured I might as well get a video of the elevator while I'm here, since I'll probably, it's like so highly secure, so I probably won't be able to, you know, film otherwise. Oh wow, it's loading the upper deck. Oh, here we go. It's kind of weird, you know, how it just stops.
Oh, she usually will talk to you. See?
Oh, that's cool. It's weird. I've never been on an elevator like this, so I've not like. It's cool.
Nice.
Upper deck's probably like full.
It should be. Seems like it, doesn't it?
Hopefully we don't get as cramped. I like my personal space.
Right. Gotta have that space.
There we go. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.